CyberArk Password Manager Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of CyberArk Password Manager, a robust solution for securing privileged credentials in any organization. Links to the product are provided in the description if you'd like to check it out. CyberArk Password Manager is designed for businesses and IT teams that need airtight control over privileged accounts and sensitive data. Its standout feature is its Privileged Access Security framework, which helps organizations protect their critical assets by securing admin credentials, automating password management, and providing detailed audit trails. This isn't just a password manager. It's a comprehensive tool to safeguard enterprise-level systems. One of the major highlights is its automated password rotation feature. This ensures passwords for critical accounts are automatically updated at intervals you set, reducing vulnerabilities from leaked or outdated credentials. Paired with its session recording and monitoring, this feature gives administrators unmatched visibility and control over user activities, making it an essential compliance tool for industries with strict regulatory requirements. The software integrates seamlessly with cloud, on-premises, and hybrid environments, supporting all major platforms, including Windows, Unix, Linux, and databases. CyberArk's ability to handle API integrations also makes it an excellent fit for DevOps teams needing to secure credentials in CI/CD pipelines. From a user perspective, the interface prioritizes functionality over aesthetics. It may not be the most visually modern, but it's straightforward and highly effective, especially for IT professionals. The role-based access control, RBAC, is intuitive, allowing fine-tuned permission management. CyberArk is not aimed at individual users or casual password management. It's specifically built for organizations managing privileged access in complex IT infrastructures. For IT teams and security professionals, it reduces risks, ensures compliance, and significantly cuts down on administrative overhead. Overall, CyberArk Password Manager delivers enterprise-grade password and privilege management that's worth every dollar for the peace of mind and security it offers. If you're serious about cybersecurity, this tool should be on your radar. Don't forget to explore the links below for more details or to get started.